Welcome back, everybody, on our long drive from Halloween Horror Nights. We needed to stop for gas here at Sam's, and they've got some fun Halloween merchandise for us to look at. Before we go in, I did want to say a special thank you to all the patrons who help support the channel. If you're interested in joining our Fright Club, be sure to check out a link to my Patreon page in the description below. Tom looks like he's absolutely raring to go inside, so let's head on in and see what they've got. Of course, they have joined the 12-foot prop club, and we've got some sort of skeleton/reaper thing. Let's see, what do they call them here? An animated towering reaper. You can see the fabric there. One thing I don't like about these companies that have put the last minute half you-know-whated effort into these props is that they just look terrible. It looks like you've just got creepy cloth draped on there on a garbage bag type fabric. I don't like the look of it hardly at all, unlike these next guys that I've had.
Well, gosh, I'm so glad you came along. It's been pretty lonely out here all by myself. If you don't mind, maybe you could stay with me a while. It gets tiresome staring off the
So those skeleton musicians looked amazing. I loved the movement of those. I could totally see them greeting some Halloween party guests. That scarecrow was pretty cool with the eyes too, although I wish the hands moved. This black glittery tree does have hands that move, kind of rock back and forth. That's really subtle and hard to see though. They have some fun faces on those little static props there. We've got a few wreaths. Well, actually, I think it's just the one wreath design to select from. But we do have a couple designs in these squishables. It looks like we've got some sort of mummy and a witch. I don't know if there were other ones. It looks like there might have been, oh, there, a cat and a pumpkin as well. Clearly, those are the popular ones, not the witch or mummy. Do like the selection of pillows that they've got. This nice long pillow is great for a sofa with the spiders on it. Very creepy. Love the ghost expression on his face, was pretty cool. And of course, you've got some Thanksgiving options as well. And of course, your pumpkin patch truck. We're going to see some more of that a little bit later. First, we're going to pass by all of this candy to the Halloween costumes over here for the children. It does make me ponder how well adult costumes would do in Sam's Club. I mean, even a couple of selections to choose from. Adults go to Halloween parties and whatnot as well. There should be a few options for us too. Love this inflatable dragon. I'm not sure that I've seen the inflatables in Sam's Club before. This one has a head that moves. That paw is sort of holding or squishing a skull. Very creepy, very impressive. Really like the look of that. It is $189, so it's a bit on the pricey side, but it's huge and imposing, and I love it. All right, this candy bowl, I think that's supposed to be a pirate. That would actually work very well with my pirate theme inside this year. Whether we're inside or out, of course, we need some pumpkins. Good time to get them is now so that you can get those stems. Obviously, are you like me? I have to pick a pumpkin with the perfect stem. I'll look through all of them. I can handle a misshapen pumpkin as long as it's got a really good stem. All right, a couple of fall things. There's that truck I was mentioning earlier. Another fall wreath option for you to choose from. And then, of course, the really scary part is that Christmas is already out. So we're going to see the Halloween merchandise disappearing soon. So we're going to check out the other stores in my videos coming up. Make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like if you want to see more content like this. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and happy haunting.